I'm Laura Shin, a registered acupuncturist in Toronto, Ontario, Canada. My favorite part of Poney's course is the way that he synthesizes all aspects, the traditional Chinese and also the Western medical, and he's done all the work for us. He's gone and found everything and just put it all together. Certainly his very original QL psoas treatment, I can see using that tomorrow. Well, it's forced me to think a lot more about muscles and nerves than I did after I graduated and didn't need sort of Western anatomy as much anymore. I was just going on point location, and now this has forced me to really think about the body that's underneath my fingers. One of the things I like best about Poney is that he marries the Western medicine and Eastern medicine. Some of the modern courses try to throw the baby out with the bathwater and don't want to talk about qi, and what he's done is really just had a scholarly approach, but with practical applications. So you're not just learning theory, and you're not just learning technique. He is brilliant at bringing both together, so you understand both and just have a deeper comprehension. Take this course is what I would tell everybody. Poney's brilliant. He's a great teacher.